Why are property easements a common source of legal disputes? Have you ever wondered why property easements can lead to so many legal headaches? Let's break it down and see what makes these agreements a common source of conflict. Easements are legal rights that allow one party to use another person's property for a specific purpose. This could be for access, utilities, or even drainage. However, because easements do not transfer ownership, misunderstandings can easily arise. One major issue is ambiguous or poorly written agreements. If the terms of the easement are not clear, parties may interpret their rights differently. This can lead to disputes over who can use the property and how. Encroachments and interference are another common source of conflict. Property owners might build fences or structures that block access to an easement. On the flip side, easement holders might misuse the easement, like using a residential driveway for commercial purposes. Overuse or misuse of the easement can also cause problems. For instance, if too many vehicles use a private driveway, it can frustrate the property owner. This can lead to disagreements about what is acceptable use. Maintenance responsibilities can be a gray area too. If the easement agreement does not specify who is responsible for upkeep, disputes can arise over costs and maintenance duties. Another tricky situation involves termination and abandonment. Sometimes, parties disagree on whether an easement is still valid. Changes in land use can complicate matters further. Boundary disputes can create tension as well. If there is uncertainty about where the easement lies, one party might accidentally build on or use land beyond the easement area. Lastly, emotional and neighborly tensions can escalate conflicts. Since easement disputes often involve neighbors, personal feelings can complicate legal issues. To avoid these common legal mistakes, it is essential to have clear, detailed easement agreements. Define the purpose, scope, location, and maintenance responsibilities in writing. Avoid vague language that can lead to misunderstandings. Conducting proper surveys and title reviews can help confirm property boundaries and easement locations. This can prevent encroachments and disputes down the line. Regular communication with easement holders or property owners is also key. Address concerns early on to prevent issues from escalating into legal battles. Documenting usage patterns and changes over time can clarify rights and prevent misunderstandings. Keeping records can be beneficial if disputes arise. If conflicts do occur, consider mediation or negotiation first. This can be a more amicable and cost-effective way to resolve issues than going to court. Lastly, understanding local laws and legal frameworks is vital. Legal requirements can vary by jurisdiction, so consulting a real estate attorney can help clarify obligations and protect rights. By taking these proactive steps, property owners and easement holders can reduce the risk of disputes and avoid costly legal battles.